One of the things I think it's important, we've talked about this before, is to during this pandemic, a lot of people are at home, is to maximize the review of the financial statements that they filed or will be filing. And I'm going to throw up on the screen a graphic, just kind of a generalized example of what you should be expected to be filing and why it's so important. And I thought, Jessica, you can just cover why, what they should be doing now that they have some time to focus on this document.
Yeah, absolutely. So in New Hampshire, we actually have a mandatory rule for discovery and for these financial matters. So the first thing I do with clients is to go over this financial statement. Ours is a little bit different, but it's all the same information. It's extremely important to really gather your taxes, gather your pay stubs, and look at really what your concrete expenses are. Most people don't really know what their breakdown of expenses are. And so now that they have the time, if they're working from home or if they're laid off, I have them do the homework up front, because the better I know their numbers, the better I can help them really find out what that order could be. So really detailing expenses, going back through your bank statements, going back through your taxes and figuring out your actual income and why your income might have gone up and down throughout the years is extremely important. And people do have the time now, so that's my first homework item to them.
Yeah, I can't understate the importance of this financial document. And now when you have time, get on it, stay on it. Schedule an appointment with your attorney right now to either work on it or review it and make some edits while COVID's happening, because it's just a really good use of your time.